Assalamu alaikum, what's up guys, this is Mustafa Tahir and I'm back with another video. So guys, we are going to be covering out concept on the Shimmer effect, and before that let's look at with a test case. You might have gained experience while fetching HTTP responses from via the internet, and upon loading you might have used uh, progress indicator to let the user know that the data is being loaded. But have you seen something like this? Yes, this effect is called the Shimmer effect, and we are going to implement it in this video. So before implementing this effect we need to have a UI ready. So I've already made it, and let's paste this UI. So in this UI I am having a list view builder with item count of 33, and I am returning a stack surrounded with the padding. And first I am having a container which is having a network image and a child of Flutter logo, and another container which is for the index having height and width 30, and another elevated button having position on the bottom 0 and right 0, and on clicking I'm having a snack bar. So this is the UI that will be passed with the help of Shimmer effect. So our UI is ready. Now if I replace this and let you know that context and color, hot reload. So this is the effect that we will get. Yes. Now let's look at the Shimmer effect. Let's make a function. Let's say build effect. First, for the build context, and here I will return Shimmer. Okay, one thing I forgot to mention, you need to implement the package first. So I've already added. You need to implement the latest package from pub.dev, or you can just write this command, flutter pub add and Shimmer. It will install the required package for your respected project. And now I will return Shimmer dot from colors. Okay, so three parameters are required here: base color, highlight color, and the child. So for the base color we need to have colors dot gray, and I will surround it with shade 300. Same case with highlight color, but instead of shade 300 I will make it at 3 shade 100. And for the child I will just pass this build view. Let's take another parameter, color. Yes, now it's look fine. Now the base effect of Shimmer effect is ready. Now we need another parameter to show and hide this effect. So for that, here I will declare a bool variable which is shown, and I will just make it as true. And Shimmer effect also has property of enabled, which requires boolean, and here I will parse this boolean is shown. And for our UI we are already having an elevated button, so on the on pressed I will toggle this boolean variable is shown equals is shown. So now it will toggle And now we just need a ternary operator. If our variable is false, then we need the UI, otherwise we need this effect. Now I will replace this with build effect. It's time to load. If I hot reload now, you can see the effect. And if I click on this button, the boolean is now false. And if I click again, you can see the shimmer effect. How nice and elegant look this is. So this was a quite simple example in which I've used the ternary operator, but in your case, in your scenario, you can toggle the boolean variable as per your requirements. So this is the time to wind up this video, guys. I hope you have enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel, and do check out my other playlists. There are tons of content available, and be sure to press that notification bell for my future updates, and see you inshallah in the next video. Take good care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.